I created this video so I can show you how to reinstall a new valve using the old ferrule. A lot of times the old ferrule is crimped very firmly on the copper pipe, and while there are a lot of tools that will extract this nut and pull the ferrule off, the problem sometimes with that is it shaves part of the copper away, and when you go to install the new ferrule, you can't quite get the valve and the nut tight enough to stop the leaking. So the purpose of this video is to show that actually the use of Teflon tape works great in this particular situation if you wrap it around the ferrule, the pipe, and the threads on the valve. One of the challenges that we run into with great frequency is that the nut, as you see here, is so tight that you can't get the Teflon tape in behind it. Here's a simple tool made of a 3/4 PVC elbow threaded in the top and just a PVC threaded nipple. If you slide that over the nut, give it a good wrap with a rubber mallet or hammer, it will dimple the flange. Once the flange is dimpled, you can slide the nut far enough back out of the way to apply the Teflon tape. We always apply the Teflon tape in a clockwise rotation so that when we put the nut back on it, we don't have issues with the thread tape unraveling. So if you wrap the threads of the valve, the ferrule, and the copper pipe, usually 3-4 rotations clockwise is enough. Tear it off, cinch your nut back down till it's snug, get your wrench on there, tighten it sufficiently so you don't have any rotation by hand, and you're done. This is how you can reseal an old ferrule. The Teflon tape literally vulcanizes around the ferrule and the threads, providing a seal.